no see-through. They are not boneless. Very full, giving very full. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, today's video is going to be a different kind of video. I'm going to be doing a clip-ins install on my natural hair. So just to give y'all like a beginning, this is my natural hair here, and it's grown a lot. I relaxed my hair about 2 months ago, I think 2 or 3 months ago. It is flourishing, super healthy. I did trim my ends back then and they have completely grown back, plus some. This is the back for you guys. But today's video is sponsored by IDNhair. This is I Define Natural. That's what it stands for. They sent me some beautiful clip-ins. We're going to go ahead and get straight into the box. But I just wanted to show y'all my natural hair. I went ahead and washed and conditioned my hair. So I don't use anything fancy. I use the Dr. Miracle's non-stripping detox shampoo. I've been using this for quite a while. I love Dr. Miracle. They have stopped selling Dr. Miracle for a long time, and I don't know why, but he's the GOAT. So I love Dr. Miracle, and I just use this Tresemme Rich Moisture Conditioner today. This is just all I had, so I just used that, and I have really dry hair, so I wanted to go in with that. But I did want to go ahead and spotlight this product real quick. This is not like a paid promo. They did reach out to me with a collab, but the collab has not actually been in the works. This is not the collab. I just have been liking the product so much that I wanted to speak about it. But this is from Purity Naturals, and this is a biotin hair serum. I've been using this on my hair in between like installs, and just every time I flat iron my hair, every time I wash my hair, I put that in there, and I definitely have to contribute some of the growth to that. My hair naturally does grow fast, but it doesn't grow past a certain length. Like the length that it's at now, honestly, it's never been this length. It's never been longer than this length either. It's most of the time stops at the shoulders and doesn't go any further. So I definitely feel like using that product has helped my hair grow and just be thick and healthy. You know, relaxed hair gets a bad rep, like you can't have healthy hair, but my hair has been healthy so far. God willing, it will continue to be healthy. So the clip-ins are 100% human hair, and they are full all the way to the ends, thick. They will last up to 12 months, which is like super great for longevity. You can wear all different styles, curls, straight. You can dye this hair as well. And these are called seamless clip-ins, so they're a little bit thinner than normal clip-ins that you're used to. So I'm going to show y'all out the box what they look like. And they definitely are different than any clip-ins that I've ever had. Our 16-inch clip-ins, body wave texture. I wanted something that was going to look really natural. I didn't want to have, you know, extremely long clip-ins. I just feel like that doesn't look realistic. When I'm doing clip-ins, I want them to look like my real hair. Pretty much just make my real hair look fuller, honestly, and maybe a tad bit longer, but nothing too crazy. I always try to keep it cute. I try to do the cute, classy, like going to work type length. So yeah, and this is the body wave texture here. Great quality hair. I've worked with IDN many times. I'm never dissatisfied on the quality. This hair is full all the way to the ends. No thin ends, y'all. No see-through. They are not boneless. Very full, giving very full. I love them. And this is the top of the clip-ins. Like I said, they're seamless. Like, look at this. It's giving like a tape-in. That's pretty much what I'm in comparison to. This is for the girlies who are too afraid to try tape-ins like me. I don't want to do it. I'm afraid it's going to thin my hair out. I already have thinner hair because of the relaxer. I'm not interested. Okay. This comes with 2 full bundles here. These are 200-gram bundles. So I'm assuming each one is 100 grams, which is like the normal weight of a bundle. I'm just going to take one clip out so I can show y'all. So this is what the band looks like. This is what the weft looks like on here, and this is where the clips are. Super seamless. Like once you put your hair on top of this, who won't know? First things first is they did provide a comb and 2 clips. They always provide nice little goodies, 2 little clips here. I'll be forgetting what these are called. So the first thing that I want to do is go ahead and part my hair in the back. I like to start in the back and work my way up. So I normally put one right here, and I'll turn around so y'all can see my parting, of course. Some people, when they're doing clip-ins, they like to do braids. I'm not doing braids. I don't prefer to do them. They do them like that so it can help with holding the clips down, but I just don't like to do it that way. I prefer my real hair to be in between. So this is the part. If it's not straight, bear with me, okay? So in the back, I'm gonna go with this 3-clip section here, and I'm just gonna put that in the very back where I parted my hair out. And you just pop these little clips open, and then you're gonna dig them into your hair and then close them. If you've never used a clip-in before, that's how they work. I'm gonna spritz, and I'm gonna spray it right on my hairline and then put this. This is definitely like super flat. Super flat. Now I'm gonna go up about an inch. About an inch or half an inch away from where I just put them at. Going in with the hairspray again. And it got good grip. Like, it gripped my hair really good. My roots aren't completely straight either. Like, they're still kind of kinky. So I still have something for it to hold on to. I'm going in with my 4-piece now. This is when I'm going to start parting around the sides. Again, I'm keeping the same amount of space in between each clip-in. This one is going to be spaced a little bit closer together. Because we're at the middle of my head, I just want the parts to be even. Going on with my 5-piece, this is the biggest one because we're at the biggest part of the head. And that didn't quite go all the way around the sides, which is fine. Like, it didn't come all the way over here. You want to leave like some space so it looks natural. You don't want it to be like right there up on your edge, because when you go to like comb your hair back or anything, then the tracks will be showing and you don't want that. So I'm going into my second bundle now. I'm going to go ahead and use my other 5-piece because we're still at the middle of the head. These are definitely great quality. Like, they feel really heavy for hair. Not like heavy like to weigh your head down, but heavy for hair. So as we get closer to the top, you want to start using smaller pieces. Basically, is how this works if you've never, worn clip-in. Like I said, I don't put my clip-ins close to the front because I want to be able to comb my hair back and it look very natural, or part it whichever way I want to part it. I still want versatility, but at the same time, if your hair is shorter than mine, then you're gonna want to add clip-ins closer to the front so they blend seamlessly, because they will show like your hair is a different length, basically is what I'm trying to say. Not that the clip-ins will show per se. As you go up, they'll start to fit around your head more. This is about how much space I like to have left in between my clip and the front of my hairline. So you can see like I'm combing my hair back and it's in the clip and it's not track showing. And I'm gonna go in with my curling iron, just, you know, add a little bit of curls to blend it all together. It already has the body waves, so I just need to put a little bit of, you know, curl on my hair. I'm gonna do a side part. I feel like it's easier to do middle parts with clip-ins just because of you don't have to worry about how they're sitting and all that, trying to figure out how to do it. So basically all I did just now was part out where I wanted my part to be and where I want my next clip in to be. So my part is right here, so I'm putting a clip very close to that. I'm going in with the 3-piece here. I'm gonna put it closer to this side because we're gonna fill in this side with the smaller clips, so I'm not really concerned about that. So going in with the 3-piece, and I'm gonna kind of like off center it. And so that's where my part is. I'm combing that over top the track. Okay, so now that that's laid, I'm going in the front and we're going to start to fill the front in. I have 4 2-clips here, 4 pieces. So I'm just going to fill it in the front where the bang pretty much is going to be at. We don't want it too close to the edge, but close enough. Are these the same size? No, they're not. So this is a bigger piece and then this is a smaller piece. I think I'm gonna go in with a smaller piece in this section just because I have a clip sitting right here and it's not like enough room per se. Again, we do not want it on the very edge where we can't comb the hair back. These clip-ins match my hair color perfectly. I have such an odd hair color. I'm a true 1B, but almost a 2. And they match so good. So this is the whole section we have here. So we really could fill it in as much as we want. It's really just preference. It's really just preference and how full you want the front to be. The whole clip-in experience is preference for real because you're just putting stuff in how you want it to be. I'm going to stick with the smaller pieces. I'm gonna take these last 2 that I have and I'm gonna cut them in half because I just don't need any this big. It's nice and full all the way. And as y'all can see, I can totally comb my hair back here, brush my hair back. There is not a clip in the world showing. Same thing on this side, and this is what I meant. You don't want to put them too close to the front, but this is only if you have longer hair. If you have shorter hair, this totally will not work. You will see it. It will not be smooth and seamless, but if you have longer hair, you can do it all the way back, straight back, and you cannot tell. Ponytail. Do a bun, and don't come for the back of my neck, guys, because, yeah, bun. What take, like, don't play with it. Now, the way I put my clips, we can't just go in and do a middle. It just won't do like that. So wherever you put your part at is pretty much where you got to keep it at. But I knew where mine was at, so. And yeah, I'll throw some quick little curls in with my bablet. It's not going to be anything like too crazy, just so the straight pieces won't be sticking out so much. Alright, so this is the final look. I think it looks gorgeous. It's definitely giving office businesswoman hair. Very sleek, classy, cute. It stops about here. This is exactly what I was looking for. It blends with my hair so good. I got the body wave texture. I always get body wave texture just because I like to wear curls. I am a curls girl and body wave holds curls the best. So I may wear this hair straight as well because I like to dibble and dabble, but I think this came out bomb as hell. Definitely go pick you up some, guys. Like, it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. It looks so much like my real hair, and it is very, very close to tape-ins. It is a seamless install. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see y'all in my next video.